this episode of Pitbike Mods, we're going to install a Preload performance shift brace for the 2019 KLX110L. So a lot of people have questions about shift braces. Do you need one? Is there any for a KLX? Why does CRF have them? So the reason behind it is the CRF needed a shift brace. The reason because of that was their shift shaft came out further than the KLX, so when their bike tipped over and the shifter caught in a rut or something, it would bend the shifter, the shift shaft. So people came up with the idea to make a shift brace to prevent that from happening. So I came across a company in Australia called Preload Performance. They came up with a shift brace for the KLX. This is the first company I've ever seen do this. So pretty much the shift brace, it holds the shift shaft and it mounts to two other points onto the engine. So if you do fall over, this holds the shift shaft from bending, getting caught in a rut, stuff like that. So check them out. Probably not necessary for a KLX, but it's no harm. It's only $50. It could prevent something majorly expensive happen. So check them out. I'll link them in the description below. Just bolt it up and we'll have a look. These two are the two mounting points where the shift brace connects, so take those two bolts out. And now we can put the shift brace on, make the logo facing out. Line it up, put the bolts back in. Now let's put the shifter back on. Finished installing the shift brace. Pretty easy, only a couple of bolts. Bolts up really well. Really recommend them. This could potentially save you from hundreds of dollars trying to fix your shifter because your bike fell over and damaged the shift shaft. So I'll link them in the description below, check them out, and I'll see you next time.